Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. The parallel parking maneuver is up next, and let me guess, another favorite, right? As a word of encouragement, remember, if you get the routine right in practice, there's no reason why you won't pass it. The most common failing point is hitting an obstacle or mounting the curb. So practice in a quiet spot against a curb. Okay, let's go. This is another maneuver you must do from both sides, but the routine is exactly the same. Let's begin with the left parking maneuver. After your examiner directs you to the starting point and you have positioned the vehicle, cancel any signals if required and apply your parking brake. Now select neutral and wait for further instructions. At your examiner's direction, begin by checking your rear view mirror and blind spot to the left. Now signal your intention, select reverse gear and obtain clutch control while checking your 360 for hazards. Now release your parking brake and move off. Next, check the blind spot to the right before the vehicle changes direction. Steer into the parking bay without touching any obstacles or mounting the curb. Now stop the vehicle within the demarcated area, apply the parking brake, select neutral and cancel your signal. You are only allowed 3 movements to complete the parallel park, which includes your initial reverse movement. If you are unable to complete the maneuver within 3 movements and without touching an obstacle, you may return to the starting point and try again. You only have 2 attempts. The final position of your vehicle is not important as long as the entire vehicle, including mirrors and attachments, is within the demarcated areas. Once you have begun this maneuver, you may stop at any time, then proceed on in the same direction. If you are stopped for more than 5 seconds, you must perform your observations before moving off. To leave the parking bay, check your rear view mirror and blind spot to the right. Signal intention, select your first gear, obtain clutch control, check your 360 degrees for hazards, release the parking brake and steer out of the bay in a forward direction without touching any obstacle or mounting the curb. Now stop the vehicle within the demarcated area and cancel your signal. There is no limit to the number of movements you may make in leaving the demarcated area. You will lose points if you turn the steering wheel while the vehicle is stationary or fail to straighten the wheels before coming to a standstill. You will immediately fail should you touch an obstacle, mount the curb, or allow the vehicle to roll. You must perform your observations and signals at all times and for all movements. Now you will be asked to perform the same maneuver, this time to the right. The routine is exactly the same. Position your vehicle at the starting point, cancel any signals if applicable, and apply your parking brake. Select neutral and wait for further instructions. On instruction, begin the parallel parking maneuver to the right. To leave the bay, check rear view mirror and blind spot to the left, signal intention. Select first gear, obtain clutch control, check your 360 degrees for hazards, release the parking brake and steer out of the bay in a forward direction without touching any obstacle or mounting the curb. Now stop the vehicle within the demarcated area and cancel your signal. Don't forget to check your Motus K53 Manual to familiarize yourself with the detailed diagrams of the yard layout. Although parallel parking to the left and right feel very different when you're performing the maneuvers, remember the routines are the same. And don't forget, signals and mirrors and blind spots. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.